This is the most accurate buy-sell indicator on TradingView right now, and in today's video I'm going to show you all of the best settings and exactly how to use it. Let's not waste any time and get straight into the video. Thank you for clicking on today's video. My name is Trades by Mo. I hope you had a very good Christmas and an even better New Year's, but it is now time to get back to the charts, start studying and get ready for the holiday time to be over so we can start looking for those perfect trades. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you one of the best buy-sell indicators for 2024. So let's show you the settings and then we can move on to taking these buy and sell trades. So make sure you're on TradingView.com, and the first thing we're going to do is click on indicators at the top. I'm currently on the 15-minute chart on GBP JPY. And today's video is sponsored by Flux Charts, and they wanted to sponsor today's video to show you how powerful their premium indicators actually are. I have previously tested them on this channel and had insane results, and for only the price of one takeaway a month, you could gain access to life-changing indicators and an amazing community of other like-minded traders, all the way from beginner to expert, that are making money the same way you want to. So check them out risk-free with the first link down in the description and in the comments section, and seeing exactly how much value they cram into this tiny membership fee. Flux Charts has been very generous to offer you a 20% off if you use code MO at checkout. So please go check them out for yourself. And thank you again to Flux Charts for sponsoring today's video. Now head up to indicators and type in smoothed, and it is the smoothed Heiken Ashi indicator by Sam Account X. This isn't the buy sell indicator, but we'll be adding this twice to our chart to confirm those trends and get us into perfect trades. So click this indicator twice and add it to your chart. Now on the settings for the first indicator, I've kept the time frame the exact same, which is the 15-minute chart, and I have turned off show wicks. I have left the colors the same, and then on the second smoothed Heiken Ashi, I have also turned off the show wicks icon, but I have set the time frame to the 1 hour chart. It's important to remember that we will be trading on the 15-minute chart, so using the 1 hour for a higher time frame will really improve our chances of getting these trending trades. Now let's add the best indicator for 2024 for taking buys and sells. So head up to indicators at the top, and then type in UT bot alerts, and it is the UT bot alerts indicator by Quant Nomad. Add this once to your chart. The best settings for the UT bot alerts indicator is to set the key value to 1. Like it says, this changes the sensitivity, and then we will be changing the ATR period to 2. Make sure you leave the signals unticked, and I've also left the style the same. We'll be using a very clever trick for this strategy, so make sure you watch the entire video so you don't miss that and you don't miss the results. So there is a few steps for this strategy, but the step 1 is primarily to make sure that you are trading inside the right session. I'll be trading during the London session, as this Forex pair is a British pound cross, and depending on what time frame you trade will determine which market you focus on. Step 2 for this strategy is to wait for both of the smoothed Heiken Ashi indicator lines to cross. Now for a sell trade, we want to see both of the Heiken Ashis pink, as this indicates a sell-in market, and for buy trades, the Heiken Ashis both have to be white. The next step is that we want to see price pull away from this zone and then push back to it. Now it is important that we see some kind of cross and close above the Heiken Ashis before rejecting and reversing in the true direction, and on the cross of these smoothed Heiken Ashi indicator lines is when we should see our sell trade paint. So we'd enter our trade on the close of this candle right here, which is the sell confirming candle. For the best results, I have put the stop loss at the highest point of the body, not the wicks. Now for the take profit, we'll be focusing on increments of 2 risk to reward ratio. Now what I mean by this is we will have our initial take profit set to 2 risk to reward. It's completely up to you whether you want to close your position or take partials there, but we will then wait to see if price hits a 4 risk to reward, and if it does, we will then move our stop loss to break even, and our stop loss will always stay 2 risk to reward ratio behind the price. When our take profit reaches 8 risk to reward, we will move our stop loss to 6. This way it gives the price plenty of breathing room to move around, and we can catch them much nicer moves. This will more than likely affect the win rate, but the overall profit for the entire strategy will be much higher. And as you can see for this trade, it would have actually closed out on our 2 risk to reward trailing stop. But we've still secured a 2% profit on the account. So now that that has hit take profit, we can now focus on looking for our next trade. Right here you can see we have a cross and a colour change in the smoothed Heiken Ashi indicator. Price then climbs with the white trending colour. Now remember, the next step is to wait for price to cross and close back below before rejecting and carrying on. But it's important to note that the Heiken Ashi indicator cannot change colour during this rejection. So for example, this buy right here would not have been valid, as the indicator for the Heiken Ashi is purple, indicating a short-term downtrend. And then you can see with this buy right here, we could have entered our trade. So we're going to do that now and put our stop loss at the recent swing low, and remember, at the body of the candle, not the wicks. So as you can see, this trade actually didn't work out. It did surpass the 2 risk to reward ratio, but at that point the stop loss would have been moved to break even, but then price has quickly rejected, probably with a news candle, taking out our stop loss. But the good news about this trade is it was a break even, so we have not lost any money and we are still currently 2% up on the account. And then finally, on this third attempt, it rejected above and then closed below, giving our UT bot sell alert. So let's enter this trade and see what happens. There we go, that trade is now finally closed out at a 6 risk to reward ratio, which is absolutely amazing. This just shows the perks of using a trailing stop with a 2 risk to reward ratio, and the trade did go down to an 8 risk to reward, but pulled back and hit our safety net in a massive profit. But always remember to only take these trades when they're in the correct session compared to the type of market, and ideally you want to catch moves in a trending market only. But it's now time to show you the trading results from 100 trades using this strategy only, so please click that like button if you're excited to see that, and hit the subscribe button if you're new, and let's get straight into the results. These are the results for the smoothed Heiken Ashi plus UT bot alert strategy. You can see we took 100 trades with the strategy and had a win rate of 54%, with 54 wins and 46 losses, and with a starting balance of $1,000 we took it all the way up to $6,290 with a profit factor of 5.13. A very healthy 5 consecutive wins over 3 consecutive losses. Like I mentioned, the win rate is only 54%, but with these trailing stops we were getting some massive moves, and our best trade taken was at 8 risk to reward ratio. But thank you very much for clicking on today's video. Please hit that subscribe button if you have enjoyed, and as always, thank you very much to Flux Charts. Definitely go check them out in the first link down below. And we are now uploading 3 times a week on the channel, so I hope you look forward to all the great videos to come, and I will see all you in the next video.